Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Jessie is my name, and on this channel we are all about sustainable living at home, restaurant reviews, product reviews, and any reviews that comes our way, and of course ensuring we get the best rates when it comes to shopping and make savings as much as possible. Yeah, basically we are focused on minimalist living or frugal living, whichever suits you. So if this is your kind of content, kindly come on board by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time we have a new upload. So let's do this.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police.
Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription.
Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay, 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 stay,
We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and you know what? It may seem ambitious, but I know with your help, we can even achieve it in the next 1 month. So keep subscribing. Actually, we appreciate the new subscribers. Thank you for considering us worthy of your subscription. We appreciate your likes, comments, subscriptions. Thank you so much. As we work towards 10,000 subscribers, keep supporting us, share with your friends and family, and let them join this family, this amazing family. If you have watched any of our videos, you know we are all about sharing and value proposition on all our videos. We don't just share our videos, we share what we learn, and we are here to learn with you and to share with you our knowledge and experience. So let's do this.